take a little video. Well, those are, someone made like pool noodle swords. Well, this is my coworker art event, is what this is. At my work, and these are all the art that some of my coworkers made. Someone made a shield. It looks like. Going around. It's hard to see the names on the freaking tags though, but all the art people made. I made a bunch of art and whatever. Those are made out of like wire, paint, or cable paint, and I think like paper and some other stuff. And that's like pottery, or someone made those. Going. You can pause it. You can pause all this stuff so you can watch it when I upload it. But yeah, this is a coworker art event is what it's called. And it goes for like, I think another week and a half or 2 weeks. But yeah, some talented artists in my work. Anybody can see that. Someone made a Snow White, I think that's what that is, Snow White dress. You can see that, Snow White. That's it.